really heartfelt. Kasing kinasing-kasing, guys. Kinasing-kasing. Spending so much money. And Tommy said, honey. Good morning. Today is Thursday, guys. Thursday, and it's nice outside. I just came outside to let Misty do her freaking, you know what I mean. How's your day? How you start your day? How you did it? Me, I always start my day feeding. No, start my day letting the dog out. If I don't have a video, I'm gonna eat it, and then feed the dogs, feed the cats, and then after editing, feed myself, and that's how it works, guys. So how about you guys? What you usually do in the morning, you know, when you get up? So I know for sure you have your coffee if you're a coffee lover, or you have your, oh, I need to clean up the microwave again. So yeah, so that's what I do in the what the heck, this cat ba, Dimples ba, doesn't listen ba? Nah, she doesn't listen. I'm gonna, she ruined the rug already over here on the right here. She kept scratching it, the thread came out. I need to do something about it. But anyway, guys, good morning. I will see you later, guys, because I have to finish what I'm doing, and that's it. And then I'm gonna go back to my painting in the garage because I need to finish that today. Well, actually just the one furniture. The other furniture, the tall one, that's really easy and quick. So I'm gonna finish the whole long one, you know, the one that you seen yesterday. So I'm gonna finish that, and then anyway, guys, it's a really quick painting. It's not a hard thing. It's just the hard part is the sanding, you know, you sand the furniture and cleaning it with water and vinegar is you have to make sure that there's no dust and everything. So that's the hardest part of that process. But painting, I enjoy doing that, guys. I don't have any problem. It's just like an art painting, especially the ages. I feel like I'm drawing art paint. Hi guys, I am back with my working clothes. I used this yesterday from doing the painting because now I'm ready to go outside and do the painting again. I have hinanakit, guys. I kind of like the Philippine showbiz thing. I mean, this is a rant. Okay, warning, ranting. We all know that Philippines are kind of have the look kind of celebrity, like, oh, you have the look, you can be in the celebrity, da, da, da. Okay, I have hinanakit because there is one person that I want to be in the spotlight because she is so talented. She is so freaking talented that the government, what the government no, that the showbiz industry is just like the big bosses out there. I hope you guys, you know who I'm talking about. This woman, she's so talented. Okay, she has a really freaking good voice, and it's a good comedian. She's a comedian, and also the voice, guys, her voice is amazingly like soft and heartfelt song. Every time she sang a song, it's really heartfelt. Kasing kinasing-kasing, guys, kinasing-kasing. Can you imagine? Okay, I'm talking about Kakay Bautista, okay? Celebrity that need to be pretty, need to be sexy. No, it's like a thing. You know, if you have the look, then you will be a good. There's a lot of singer in the Philippines because it's not talented like Kakay, but because they have a look, they get in. They get in the crowd. Guys, I'm so kind of disappointed, very disappointed every time I saw Kakay sing in YouTube and things, and wish you guys look and wish wish Kakay Bautista singing. Give her a spotlight. She doesn't have an album. These people doesn't have that. They don't. This is ranting, guys. I'm warning you. This is ranting, okay? I'm warning you. But there's a lot of singer out there that because they have a good look and the family background is like in the showbiz and stuff like that, they don't have a really nice voice. They end up having a record, 2 records, and platinum and gold, whatever is the record looks like, whatever. Kakay, if you are listening, if you are watching in this video right now, write a song for yourself, compose it, post it in YouTube, and there you go, bang. Believe me, Kakay, you deserve to be well known. Your voice is amazing. Her voice, you guys, if you don't believe me, go to Wish channel. It's like they have in the Philippines, and oh my god, it's just amazing. There's a lot of good singer and have a good look, okay? I'm not saying that everyone have a good look, doesn't have a good voice. Of course they have, but there is some people that get the opportunity even though they don't deserve it. So, believe me, Kakay, maghanap ka na ng kano, Kakay, look for a kano. Punta ka dito sa US, Kakay, mag-asawa ka ng kano, Kakay, at saka magsungsong ka, bili ka ng microphone, maggawa ka ng cover mo, magawa tayo ng cover. Bisaya, bas, Kakay, I think it's Bisaya ba? Parang Bisaya mas Kakay, ano? I think she's Bisaya. So anyway, that's all, guys. That's all the rant. I'm gonna go back to my freaking painting. I will be right back. Okay, I'm just reading some comments. Anyway, so every time I do something like working, I'm like doing something and I want to be busy and concentrate what I'm doing. What I usually do is listen some non-stop music. That's what I do. Non-stop music and love song, 1980s to 90. Oh my god, look at it. I'm excited to finish this one, so I'm gonna finish this specific drawer, and while it's not hot, because later on it's gonna be 100-degree in upstate New York. Oh, I think the whole New York. So anyway, guys, yeah, I think what time it is? Alas kiting para bagting. What time is it? Oh, 9:30 now. So I'm gonna start doing it. I washed this yesterday. So, oh my god, it's still wet. Are you still wet? Okay, I will wipe you. I will wipe your ass. Luckily, Tommy got extra because I told Tommy, "Hun, we don't need an extra, hun. We don't really need an extra." I said, honey. You know, Tommy. If you know Tommy, if I said, "Hun, we don't really need that," and then you keep buying it, you keep spending so much money, and Tommy said, honey. That's Tommy. Honey. Yes, honey. There's something wrong with my camera. It suddenly stuck up. So I'm trying to say it's 12:33 in the afternoon. And I'm cooking rice. Dimple alert, what happened? Hi guys, it's 3:37. I stopped doing the painting because it's getting darker even though there's light in the thing. But I will show you what a cloud outside. Look at it. It's so storm. And it's so windy. Yeah. Oh my god. This is always happen up here. No, Roxy will go. Roxy doesn't care. Uh-oh, she's coming back. It's so windy. Roxy. Roxy, come back. It's windy, huh? It's windy and it's raining. Okay, coming back in. I'll let you out later. In. Okay, guys, it's raining. Not done yet. I will show you when I'm finally done with that drawer because ay nako, nakakaloka, guys. I have to change because I'm dusty. I've been eating meat and it's not really good, guys. My body is collapsing with just keep eating meat. So hopefully I have some salmon right here in the fridge. Oh, maybe I hope. Oh, there is one. Oh my god, I have a lot of tanglad. I have a lot of lemongrass in the refrigerator. Did you hear that? I can hear the wind. Holy cow. Oh my god, is that you? I don't even realize. I just saw you in the monitor, Bug. Bug, what are you doing in there? Be careful, my love. He loves to be there. Be careful because in the other side, it's not. Okay. bakit yung TV nakamute? Kasi my husband called me. And he went to Jersey. Okay, he has a... Okay, yung may kaibigan siya, guys, na yung sinabi ko, pumunta sa New Jersey. Ito talaga yung asawa ko. He has a friend, the one that have company, yung may company na kaibigan niya. And she kinda like tell Tommy that, oh, why don't you meet? So, nagkita sila sa New Jersey. So, my husband just went to New Jersey to meet his old friend and para makikinig sa mga hinanakit sa mundo yung kaibigan niya. So, pumunta lang talaga si Tommy doon para makikinig sa mga isinisiwalat niya tungkol sa company niya. Yun lang. So, sabi ko, Han, you don't get paid with that. He said, no, not everything is you get paid, Tommy, honey. You have to go there and, you know, he is my friend for a long time. Blah, blah. Yeah. Whatever. Do it. It's okay. Oh, guys, Tommy want to review this, guys. Want to tell you that this thing is really good. It's non-stick. It's really good. But what happened? Hold on. This is a really good pan. It's the one that we ordered. He ordered from, I think, Amazon or something, or Macy's. He ordered this. It's really good. And I'm going to feed the animals because they're here. Oh, look at that. They are here. They are here. Hi. Hi. I don't know if you guys can see. Hubs. Hubs. Look at his lips, guys. The other side. Hubs. Look, it's hanging in this side here. That right here. It's really swollen really bad. Hubs. Hubs. You had your dinner already. What's wrong with you? I try to let her out, guys, but she doesn't really want to go out for some reason because of the freaking flies. Because of the freaking flies, rocks. Right. Meron na mga bulak dito, guys. Daming bulak, ah. Tignan niyo. Look, tignan niyo. Nice. There's a lot of flowers, but there's something wrong with you. My spicy thing is growing. My spicy pepper is growing. Are you ready to get in now that I can still cooking? My son over there is cooking. Okay, guys. I'm still cooking and I leave it here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hininaan ko siya, guys. Usually, I put this number right here, 6. I put it to 2. And look what happened. It's cooking nicely. So, I'll still cooking. I'm still cooking. Anyway, guys, I will see you later. I'm loving the Instagram lately. I love the Instagram lately. I've been posting in Instagram. If you haven't followed me yet in Instagram, please follow me, MaryAnnavitabile. I put in the first clip, the beginning of this video, you always see my social media account, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and that's all I have. I have Twitter, but I don't really usually go to Twitter, and I don't go over there just to, you know, I don't really go to Twitter, but I'm gonna try to do Twitter because I'm not a big Twitter thing. I'm in a Instagram and Facebook thing, but lately I'm into Instagram. But anyway, follow me in Instagram, Facebook, and in here in YouTube, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Yeah, time check. It is 8:48. It is almost 9 o'clock. I have to turn the light off here. Okay, guys. Tonight, whatever. I'm going to bed, and I will see you tomorrow as usual. And the dogs eat their treats, and yeah, right there. Yeah, I'm ending the vlog, and I'm gonna wait for Tommy to call me later. See you tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up, guys, if you're watching this video, and if you like, thumbs up. Please give me a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Yeah, so bye, guys. See you tomorrow. What is this over here? I see something here. Hold on. Yeah, so night, bye.